What's up, guys? I'm Mango.
Hi, my name is Shuttle.
My name is Jack Burkhardt.
What's going on, guys? It's Retro.
Hi, my name is David Icon Gifodon.
What's up, guys? I'm Mark the Shark, and I'm a professional gamer for Disrupt Gaming.
For my mouse, I use the G Pro wireless. I've just always liked wireless mouses, to be honest. I've been using them since I became a pro, and I've never used a wired mouse since.
So first on the list, I got my mouse, Logitech Superlight, G Pro, whatever. It's wireless, cannot have a wired mouse, just how I am. Yeah.
So first on the list is my mouse. I rock the Logitech Superlight, the white one. This is by far my favorite mouse.
So first on the list is my mouse. I use the Logitech G Pro Superlight. Really good mouse, light, wireless, gets the job done.
For my mouse, I use a Viper Ultimate, a Razer Viper Ultimate, and it's wireless. I feel like in today's age, if you're not using wireless, you're kind of just trolling yourself because wireless technology has gotten so good. There's no reason not to use it.
For my keyboard, I use the Corsair K65 Rapid Fire. No particular reason why I like it. It's more of just I've been using it for like 5 years. Just kind of what comfort is with me.
Alrighty, so next on the list is my keyboard. This is the Logitech G915 10 keyless. Yeah, it's got the media keys, everything I want.
Next, I use the Ducky, the 65% Koi. This is by far my favorite keyboard as well. I've always stuck with Ducky, and it's never let me down.
Next is my keyboard. I use the Logitech G Pro X keyboard, 10 keyless. Not too big, not too small.
That's what she said.
Good clicks. I love the coloring pattern, so yeah, good keyboard.
So for a keyboard, I use Logitech G Pro. I use a blue clicky light switches, whatever.
Yep.
I like them because they're clicky. First on the list, you're not always doing stuff in spreadsheets all the time. I got a HyperX Z3000 notebook here. It really just gets the job done. Anytime you gotta jot anything down, really just put anything here. Operator data, everything. Gotta have one of these.
So this is the mousepad I use, the Zowie GSR.
All right, next on the list is my mousepad. So this is the Zowie GSR. It's the large version.
And last on the list is the mouse pad. I have the Artisan, the red one. Really like it.
For my mousepad, it's a Logitech one. I think it's a G something.
Hold on, raise it up a little higher. The G something. All right.
That's my mousepad.
For my mousepad, I use a HyperX Fury S. It's a mousepad, and it's good. All right, now to write things down, obviously you're gonna need something to write things down with, though. My go-to is the Jetstream ballpoint 0.7 millimeter. This thing goes crazy. Gotta have one of these at all times. Without it, don't know what I would do.
And then for headphones, don't need them.
Next on the list is my earbuds. They're the Bose QC20s, and you need earbuds for LAN. So yeah, I think these are the best in my opinion.
So next on the list is earbuds. I have the Bose QC20s. These things are white. They have white noise, so you have to charge them, but super nice, especially for LAN.
For earbuds, I use the Bose QC20. They're noise canceling, really good, really reliable. Battery lasts a long time. Sound quality's great, love these.
For headset, we went to the store one day, and I was just gonna get a normal headset, probably HyperX or something basic gamer stuff. And then Henry was looking at the shelf. He's looking at all the options, and there's just one shining, glimmering headset there, all alone. It was a Bose QC gaming headset, and I was just I have to get it. Sound quality is everything. So I had to get the Bose headset.
Where is it?
Right now, I left it upstairs, so I can't really bring it, but it's upstairs. You gotta trust me on this one. Now, here at the DG house, we always like to indulge in some ping pong. My go-to is the Stiga Raptor. This thing, crazy. Gets you all the control, all the spin. Will not lose a game with this thing. Last on the list is the sleeve. It really lets you be loose with the mouse on the mouse pad. So yeah, it's just a hack sleeve.
Oh, the most important, hack arm sleeve. You need one of these. These things, amazing. I mean, that's it.
All right, guys, that was my setup. I'm Mark.
I'm Retro.
I'm Jack Burkhardt.
My name is Mango. I'm professional hands for DG, and that was my setup. See y'all later.
Boom, you're done.
I'm gonna have to cut this part.
You're good, you're good.
What's up, guys? I'm Mark the Shark, and I'm a professional gamer for Disrupt Gaming.
And this is my setup.
And this is my setup. And it's good.
Wait, you don't even have one on. Mark, Jack,
What?
do you still have the mic on?
Oh, yeah.
That's for 4 hours. Sometimes I get hungry. I really like the Big Chew Smart Edition.
Big Chewy, my go-to. All right, so just start, be like, yo, my name is Jack Burkhardt. I am a professional Rainbow Six player for Disrupt Gaming, and this is my setup.
All right. Hey, oh, no, shouldn't do that. All right. Hi, I'm Jack Burkhardt. I'm a professional Rainbow Six player for Disrupt Gaming. And this is my setup.